Welcome. Today I want to talk about Bybit. Bybit is one of the biggest crypto exchanges that we have right now. Today I want to talk about why you should use Bybit if you're trading spot or you're trading Derivate. So meaning if you're trading like futures or if you're just trading normal like cryptocurrencies. If you want to start trading on Bybit, I recommend you to use my link down below in the description, because you will get a bonus up to 4,000 US dollars. So click the link below and you can get a bonus up to $4,000. So I mean, I would, if you don't want to miss it out, then use the link down below. So now let's talk about Bybit. So we have here the futures. So on the futures you can also use leverage. What means leverage? Mean you can trade with more money than you actually have, but it's also definitely more risky than if you trading like in the spot without leverage. So you can use here up to 50x leverage right now, and you can also go long, meaning you betting on that the stock will go up. But you can also short a stock, not a stock, cryptocurrency. So if you think like, for example, Bitcoin is overvalued, you can go short on that, for example, or you can go short on Dogecoin and make a lot of money of it, or lose it all. It's up to you. So then we also got margin. We have cross and we have the isolated. So it meaning like margin mode, meaning you can also put collaterals into your position. So meaning if you have a 10x position, meaning you can borrow 10x your money. Basically, you're not really borrowing, you're not taking a credit or a loan or something like that. You're not taking a loan, you're just getting a lot more access to higher positions. But if the Bitcoin price drops 10%, you lose all your money. So it's also definitely more risky. But if you can also put some money in the collateral. So for example, I got 1,000 US dollars into a Bitcoin long position. I can put 1,000 US dollars in the collateral. So actually, I'm getting just liquidated after the price dropped 20% because I have the collateral. So the collateral is actually kind of a protection to protect me of getting liquidated fast. Yeah, you should definitely be not over leveraged. So if you're using like 30, 50 leverage, this is very high risk. So I would definitely recommend you to use maximum 20x leverage, because if you use more than 30x leverage, it's getting more into the field of gambling than actually really trying to trade and trying to play your game in the market. So yeah, I definitely recommend to use maximum 20x leverage. So then we have the isolated margin. So in the isolated margin is actually what I said. You can put 1,000 US dollars as a collateral. Then your position will get liquidated not so fast, like only after the Bitcoin after the Bitcoin price dropped 20%. But in the cross margin, you can also use like other positions that are covering that. You can also use other positions for collateral, but I don't recommend this. I would definitely always use the isolated margin, because, for example, one asset breaks really down, and the other one goes really up. Assets that is right now pretty much going up will still get used as a collateral. So if the market go all against you, you will lose a lot of money. So I recommend you to use isolated margin. So, but we also got here the spot trading. So in the spot trading, you can't use any leverage. So if you want to just buy some Bitcoin or buy some Ethereum or buy some Cardano, some Luna, Matic, HBAR, all this Solana, all these big interesting tokens or mana, you can go here to the Bybit spot and you can trade here Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you don't have so much risk as if you use futures, but also your rewards will be of course less as when you use leverage, but your risk is a lot lower, and for a lot of coins you don't need it. For example, bit you bought Ethereum like 1 or 2 years ago, you would made a few 100%. So I mean, it's not always about leverage. It's also about finding good project and investing into them early. So I think Bybit is a really good broker to trade on, and yeah, you can also deposit with your credit card or with also bank transfer, also with crypto. So I really recommend you to use this broker, because also a lot of professional trader use this broker, because the charts are pretty good. Like, we can see really good how the markets are moving and make our own analysis about this. So I recommend you to use this broker, and yeah, I think you will have a good experience. So if you use the link down below, you can get up $4,000 for free. So definitely use the link down below if you don't want to miss this out. And yeah, I wish you all the best with your trading career. And yeah, if you need any help with or have any questions, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I see you in the next video. Have a great day. See you.